Coming and going, it's dangerous. Somebody's gonna get hurt.
Yeah, but we're safety.
Okay, I'm the manager here.
Okay.
Okay, and I say that. See this right here? Please turn the camera off. If I call the police and they want to know why a bunch of kids are, unsupervised and doing things they're not supposed to do, it's not going to be pretty. All right? So you need to go to Capitol. There's this whole okay?
But what if I want to stay here because I love you?
I'm going to call the police now.
But I love you. You can't call the cops. I love you.
Hi, I've got 4 minors here with skateboards, and even the youngest ones look like maybe they're high. They might be runaways. One of them's got a video camera. And
Fucking runaways, dude! Yo, where you going? What the